Okay, so I know I only said that I'd go to POPMART once a month, and I already did for this March. But Joshua owed me 2 Space Mollies, so we went to POPMART today. And they didn't have any of the Series 2, but I bought a lot recently, so I got 2 of the Series 3. This is from Joshua. And then I also got 2 Crybabies, Powerpuff Girls edition, again, because they had it in stock. So I'm just trying to get some while I can. But first, let's switch it up. I feel like we should do the Crybabies first before we switch over to Space Mollies today. So let's start. So we already have Bunny Bubbles and the Mayor. We got the Professor. The card. Next Crybaby.
No dupes.
No dupes? Bunny Blossom! So cute! This is her card. So for Space Mollies, we have 2 of the Season 3. Hopefully no dupes. Right, babe?
No dupes.
No dupes, no dupes, no dupes. So far, Joshua's been really good at picking the boxes, so that's why I had him pick it again. First box. It's not a dupe! Babe, you're so good at picking the boxes. This is why I need you coming. That's Gary Baseman. This is the card. Up to the last box of this unboxing. Another Series 3. No dupes, no dupes, no dupes. Me, a dupe. I got another Ted too.
You just jinxed it.
Here he is with his gun. That's Ted 2. So overall, good haul today. The rest of my Space Mollies are at my house, but for the ones I have here at Josh's house, this is what we have. That's my unboxing today for POPMART. See you guys next month. Bye!